What's going on, everybody? Anushka Sheffy here from dropshipsniper.com, and in this video I have something special for you. We're going to be talking about Amazon FBA and how you can track your keywords for your Amazon products. Alright, so in this video I'm going to break down one of the top tools that I'm using currently to track my keywords on autopilot and for free. So if you stick around to the end, I'm going to hand you that tool and we're going to get right into it. Alright, so let's get this. Alright, so here we are, folks. We are inside of the tool that I'm going to break down in this video, and this is the tool I've been using to track my Amazon FBA keywords for free. Alright, and the tool is called Helium 10. You may already know about this tool, but you might not know that it is absolutely free for you to track your keywords. And check this out, guys. There are a ton of tools in here, many of which you actually get for free, but the one we're going to be focused on today is the keyword tracker that you can see right here. It says 16 uses, and if you check out this page that I have pulled up for Helium 10, it shows you all the stuff that you get for free. All right, and I don't know if you know, but I tested this product. I actually paid for the $97 plan, and I wasn't even using it that much, right? So I ended up canceling that plan, and I found after using this free plan that it works pretty effectively. Now, you don't get everything, obviously, right? You only get a certain amount of uses, and some of the things you don't even get, like the 5K checker, you don't get to use, versus the $97 plan, which is 150 uses. But hey, I'm not even using the 5K checker that much at this point, but I do want to keep track of my keywords to see where I'm ranked, and yeah, see where my products are ranked, and if I'm on the first page, and if I'm not, I want to work to get there. So this tool will help you see that, and yeah, it'll track everything for you. So let's go into this tool right now. Here is the tool. As I said, we go over here for keyword tracker. You click that, it'll take you right into this page, and you can quickly and easily add a product, or you can see the products that you've already added. And I will block out some of this information for obvious reasons, but this is one of my products, and what you can see here is says keywords. There are 4 keywords inside of this specific product. So as you saw on this page over there, it said there's 20 uses pretty much, and as you can see I have 16 left, and that is because I'm tracking 4 keywords for this one product. If I was to track 20 keywords, then I wouldn't be able to add any other products or any other keywords because I would have hit the free maximum. But still, 20 keywords is plenty, especially for those of you FBAers similar to me that are starting to launch some new products, and you don't really have a million keywords that you want to track, you just have a handful. Then this tool will work for you. Okay, so what you can see, as I said, 4 keywords. The ranking is over here, what page I'm currently on, and the change for this keyword, or my top keyword. So if I click into here, what you'll see is my keywords on the left. There's the 4 keywords, and of course they do block out some of the information. They let you get 20 uses for free, but they block out this exact phrase search volume, the broad phrase search volume. So if you need that, you will need to upgrade, unfortunately. But the cool part is you still get to see where your keyword is, and this is the most important part. If you're running this business, you need to track where your products are ranking, and it does that for you for free. You can even see the little chart here. If I click on the chart, it will pull up the rankings of my product since yeah, like the inception, right? So we can see here that you know where we're at. Okay, so position 53 for this product, and yeah, so more information here. It tells you the rank of change, like the change rank in the last 24 hours. As you can see, it schedules these keywords to update every so often. So every 24 hours, these keywords will update with your current ranking, and it will show all in the trends. It will show in your ranking here. And yeah, so for a free tool, guys, it doesn't get much better than this. Of course, if you wanted to just add a new product, you could come up here. I pulled up this just random product from Amazon, and you copy the ASIN number, you punch it in here, and boom, it will ask you what keywords do you want to use, and it will say, hey, we've detected this product as a parent product, right? And do you want to add the child products? No, I'll say no. So let's go ahead and just say brown laptop bag. All right. Remove special characters. What marketplace do you want to sell on? Because it will track multiple marketplaces if you're selling on whatever, right? Multiple marketplaces. Okay, so if you want to track the parent, and then you just go start tracking, it will take, you know, as it says here, 1 hour for the results to show up. But from this point on, you can log in every single day. You can see where your product is ranking for that keyword brown laptop bag, and you can add 20 per free account. Okay, so guys, this tool is pretty awesome for free. There are some charges if you want to get the other ones, but for free, guys, it doesn't get much better than this. So if you're using any other tool and you would like to share that with us, go ahead and leave those in the comments below. There's tons of FBAers out out there that would love your support and, you know, helping them along in their success. So leave those comments below. I'm sure there's millions of tools that track, and probably some out there that even do it for free, similar to Helium 10. So if you have an Amazon keyword tracking tool that you're using, leave that in the comments. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to subscribe. I'm always trying to pour out awesome content for both dropshippers, Amazon FBAers, and yeah, so go ahead, subscribe to the channel. If you liked it, click the like button, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a good one.